Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the widget is available on your device. Long press an empty area of the home screen now. Once done, tap Widgets to open the picker because many launchers hide widgets differently. If you see multiple clock widgets, pick the System or Google Clock for reliability. Make sure to note widget sizes 1x1, 2x2, or larger, since wrong size prevents placement. You'll place it next, so keep the home page clear of app icons where you plan to drop the clock. Now drag the clock widget from the picker onto the home screen and position it where you want the time visible. Once placed, long press the widget to reveal resize handles and drag to expand or contract to fit the grid. This affects information shown, like date or weather. If there's no room, move or stack app icons, or add a new home page by dragging to the edge. Make sure the launcher allows resize. Some custom launchers lock widget sizes, so switch to a different launcher if needed. Finish by tapping the newly placed clock to check its settings. Enable 24-hour time, date, or alarms as you prefer. If the widget fails to appear, clear the launcher app cache in settings or install the Google Clock app because some devices rely on it. If that doesn't help, restart the phone to refresh system services. One key troubleshooting tip: switch temporarily to the Pixel launcher or Nova launcher to confirm the problem is launch-related. If it works there, change launcher settings or reinstall your current launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.